Boy, it's a beautiful day out here. I'm going to tell you guys real quick the importance of you dispatchers out there, especially you guys who aspire to become dispatchers and start your own dispatching company or you owner-operators.
Where you at?
Hey, so I made it down to Florida. Man, amazing. Palm trees. You know what I'm saying? Short sleeve shirt. Just left out of Indianapolis where it's still cold at. Hey, so I just want to put this quick video out to you guys today and tell you guys, man, I've talked to so many people and they say, hey, Manny, is it good going into Florida? They paying me a good rate. You know, I'm gonna tell you guys, man, do not come to Florida when it comes to hauling any type of freight, especially you flatbedders out there. You know, Florida is terrible. You know, Florida sucks for freight going out, and it's mostly all freight. Some of you dry vans and reefers could get some loads from time to time, but man, stay out of Florida, guys. I know they're gonna pay you good money to come in, but you're going to spend good money deadheading out of here too, because it was funny when I was coming down to Florida. So I was on 65 South going through Kentucky and all of that, man. Tennessee. There was a lot of trucks, you know, a lot of flatbeds. Those guys were out there rolling, you know. And then the more south I started to get, you know, on 75, and then on 24, and then on 75. So I stopped seeing a lot of flatbed trucks, especially once you get real close to the Florida state line on 75 before you get on 10, or if you want to keep going on 75. But I ended up coming through Jacksonville, Florida, so I got on 10 East, and man, I'm talking about 90% of the flatbeds and step decks and hotshot trucks coming out of Florida headed northbound, man, 90% of them was empty. Look, you guys ain't gonna make no money if ain't no freight on the trailer. I don't care how much money they pay you to get down to a location. Look, make sure that it's going to be worth it too, though. Some of you guys might got an amazing rate to the point that, hey, it might be fine for you to deadhead out of Florida. But you got to remember too, you're going to end up losing a day because you have to deadhead. And in this business, you guys can't be missing any days. You know, every day should be a day that you make money. I don't care how much you just made off the rate before. So, like I say, don't fall victim to coming into Florida, because 90% of you guys out there will not find a load coming back out of Florida. Some of you guys will luck up, but not too many, you know. So I just want to put this quick video out there to you guys today, especially you guys that are new, or some of you guys that have been trucking for a while, that you guys are going to become owner operators, and then you're going to start sometimes going where the money takes you. But you can't live like that philosophy all the time. You know, that's how I was living at first, and then I'll find out where not to go to. So I came into Florida one time and I never been back since. Because the first load I ever got when I first started trucking back in 2017, my driver got a load going from Springfield, Tennessee, going down to, where is that? By West Palm Beach somewhere. West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, Lauderdale, is that how you say it? Something like that. Whatever it is, but it went down that way, and it was like about a 900-mile trip, and we got $2,000 for it, and I thought I was balling. You know, I thought I was winning because we got, you know, a little bit over $2 a mile, but we had to deadhead all the way back up 95, all the way back up. So that wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be. So like I say, stay out of Florida, because you guys would not get any freight. The only time you guys should come to Florida is when you guys come to visit. when you guys want to come and get some good weather, you know, some good scenery. Right now it's kind of gloomy and raining, but man, it's sunny to me. Shoot, especially where I just came from, I'm appreciating every moment of this little cloudy day. I got short sleeves on. You know, I'm back here now. So, hey, if you guys have any questions, hit me up on my email, broker@manixtrans.com. 30-day free trial with DAT. Go get your 30-day free trial with DAT. Everything in the description box below. There will be a link. Go click that link, and you guys can get 30 days free trial with DAT. Go sign up with TAFS, Trans Am Financial Services, if you guys are looking for a factoring service. And that's it. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there. Florida.
Yes, and why you're not getting on the train?
On the train?
Yeah.
What, you gonna get on the choo-choo train?
Yeah.
Well, what you gonna do?
Why you're not seeing the train? What?
Why we ain't seen it?
Yeah.
Because we
I missed it.
We gotta get to the railroad track.
That's not the railroad train supposed to be. It's supposed to be right there.
No, it ain't. It's this way.
No, it's not.
We gotta keep driving.
All right then.
What a funny little guy you are, man. You too funny, man.